scrapping AC compressors. Already cut that one open, and this is what I got out of it. I think it's number 2, I'm not sure. These are a little harder to clean. Got to cut this all the way down, all the way around. Also the top, under the seam. I cut above it, like I didn't know. I'm using this battery operated Sawzall with some jumper cables to a battery because it messed up. And this, sometimes there's a couple screws, or it's actually a special tool. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, there you go. It's like that shape. Do I got a bolt around here? I can show you. I don't know if I do. Took 4 of them off. Oh wait, I stuck them back inside here. It's like a star of some kind. Sorry about the lighting. It's a weird star looking one. So it's not a common tool. That's for sure. So I'm just gonna be ripping some of these apart. I heard they got some good money in them. I mean, copper's like about 2 something a pound, so this weighs, I think I weighed it's like 4 pounds with this top. It's like 4 pounds right there. Just this, not that. So 4 pounds, that's about $8 right there. Better than the couple of bucks you would have gotten if you just turned it in like that. So, alright.